kid you not. Out of all the photos na nakita po natin, yun na po yung pinakamalaking smile na nakita natin from the Rentan. We are so ready for this film. Hi, Direk! Finally, we are here. Hey, Direk, do you feel any pressure right now? Again, this is the world premiere of Uninvited. I know you guys are taking lots of photos and videos. Don't forget to use our official hashtag, which is Uninvited World Premiere. And
showing the ball sa 25. And thank you for everyone being here.
thank you so much. Well, finally, we are here. Okay, nakita ko grabe yung emotions mo, pare. Okay, ano bang nangibabaw na emosyon?
Hindi ko nakakagab. This is my first time na magpunta sa
Premiere night.
Excitement we're going kasi kailangan na hindi tayo go. So, para sa amin, ubus ko lang namin sa we're outside character na. Pero, for sure, para sa inyo no.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, mga po natin. These fine gentlemen enjoying our show for the evening. Maraming salamat.
very much.
Brother, please. I hear this is a party, and I know your favorite Ursula. To my roommate, the Christmas special. Kamusta ka, Gabby?
We're good. We're so excited to be here.
Finally, no, ang tagal na natin, hindi tayo nandito na. Diba? You want to say hi to everyone watching?
Hi! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Salamat for being here kahit alam ko holiday season na. Salamat for spending your night with us.
Hello po. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Hello to our family and friends from the audience.
Daming nakaabang sa lahat ng mga fans nyo. Halos nandito na. Even dito sa Cinema 4 as well. We'll be having our world premiere right here in Cinema 3. Pero we are just so excited para sa matinding pelikula to. I can see your smiles. Grabe yung effort, yung bago na yung pinigay dito. And we have to say, this is okay. Walking her way back in golden carpet is the very talented, ever beautiful Miss Luna de Leon. Okay. We love you after me. This film talks about a mother's love. Diba? Kayo po, as a mom, what can you do for love?
Para sa mga anak ko.
Para sa
Anything and everything. Huwag niyong kakantiin ng mga anak.
Ayan na. Sakto.
Yes.
Painted the town red with... Yes, we saw each other like 2 days ago for a Christmas party. Was it 2 days ago? Yes, just 2 days ago. But 2 days ago, bago ang Pasko, and also for Uninvited showing in Cinema Station 1. Pero ngayon, world premiere of Uninvited. How are you right now?
Preparing to see this movie na talagang pinaghirapan at lahat, lalong-lalo na ni Ms. Delma Santos at natin na team. Tapos sila mga nangunguna, mga listeners natin dito.
Yes, with that, Sir Tirso, I'm sure everyone's so excited to watch the film already. Would you please invite everyone to watch Uninvited? Go ahead, sir.
Please, spread it all around. Uninvited, uncut, rated 16. Manurin niyo po. It's really an exciting movie.
It is. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Tirso. Multimedia star. I call her the collectors that she has been getting. Ladies and gentlemen, we got the president in the building. Nadine Lustre. Her character in the movie is Nicole, which by the way is one of the drinks being served by Manila Craft in our event. It's called Nicole's Revenge, if I'm not mistaken. So please, to all of our guests, enjoy all of the cocktails right here before we enjoy the movie. And right now, we're gonna be enjoying this quick chit chat with the president herself, the collector, Miss Nadine Lustre. Hi, Miss Nadine.
naman ako sa Collector.
Eto, minsan mo lang, or actually first time mo lang marinig siguro yung title eh, na Collector.
First time. Kaya natawa ako.
Okay, before we discuss that, you wanna say hi to everyone watching us?
Yes, good evening po sa inyong lahat. I'm so happy to see everyone. Maraming salamat. Alam po namin, Pasko na bukas, Christmas Eve na bukas, but thank you so much for spending your time with us. Sobrang excited kami na makita niyo ang pelikula.
At sobrang excited na may mamanood ito. Diba? Going back to the title that I've given you right now, The Collector. Siyempre, every single year, nangongolekta siya ng awards eh. Left and right. Ganong kalitin. Ganong kagaling ang isang nag-illustre. In this film, ano bang mga pwede namin expect, especially coming from Nicole?
I guess Nicole her character is very different from the ones that I've done before. So, and I always say this, kasi lagi ko naman sinusubukan baguhin, yung natama ko sa mga characters ko. But this time around, sobrang iba talaga siya. Kasi, like ko sinasabi before, my characters are always very simple. Parang mabait na anak. And this time, medyo suplado.
We're playing it
Yeah, very different naman. So I'm very excited for everyone to see that because this is the first time I'm going to be doing that on screen.
Oh, well, we're so happy and excited na panood ang character mo, and please enjoy the night. Lady in Red, you're gonna be painting the town red. Alright? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nadine, Lustre! Thank you. Remember that title when she gets an award. After the persona of the Forever Baguettes, we got the one and only Mr. Aga Mula! Ayan na, lahat ng kamay gumaganon at the sight of Aga Mula. Nakapaganda namin lahat. Hi, Sir Aga. Long time no see. And it's so great to see your family. They're inside the cinemas already. Before anything else, I want to say hi to everyone.
Magandang galing po sa inyo lahat. First, I'm just happy to be part of the 50th Film Festival. And also, I want to thank you.
Thank you so much.
For being here. I want to thank everyone who took their time off and spent time this 23rd with Pasko. We send a really outside the worst trip tonight, I think.
Yes.
So I know to my family and my good friends who are inside now. The fans are waiting for us and we're excited to see the film.
I remember vividly, Sir Aga, a couple of months ago, nasabi mo kasi na hindi na ako makatulog sa December 23 or 25 na, and now here we are. Ano ba ang nangibabaw sa puso mo? Ano ba tumatakbo sa isipan niyo?
Just, thank you so much. But more than that, I'm proud of the work we've done. I'm proud of the movie. Again, I'm excited because we haven't seen it yet. The first time namin mapapagod kasama ng So I'm excited and soon.
Eto na, hindi na talaga kami makapaghintay sa pagsisimula ng pelikula. Panapakan po natin, Mr. Aga Mula. We're gonna be seeing more of it in just a bit, but now, we and an icon right here. One of the treasures of our country is there right now. In what an icon. The star for all seasons. Miss Vilma Santos. So gracious, she has been pouring her heart out in all things, especially for this movie. And now, we're gonna be having
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang lahat po na kasama namin itong gabi nito sa premiere night ng Uninvited. And nagagalak po ang buong family ng Uninvited na ito na yung aming premiere night. And we all invite you. We will thrill your hearts this coming December 25 para po sa pelikula po namin Uninvited. Please do watch. We are inviting you to watch Uninvited, and this is part of the golden anniversary of Metro Manila Film Festival. To all of you, we love you! Merry Christmas!
Christmas! This is one gift na hindi na dapat palampasin. Ito na yun, all the biggest stars in Hong Film just for you guys. Okay, we have our star for all seasons right here on the stage. May we call in Direk Dan to please join us right here together with the President, the City President, an award-winning actor, of course, we got Sir Arnold Mola. Of Uninvited. Lots of things are gonna be happening right here para sa ating events. At maraming pa dapat kayong abangan later on.